we get asked here at Lifert and Lifert is whether or not a client truly needs an attorney or if it's something that they can handle on their own. Our answer to that question is, of course you need an attorney, not just for our own benefit, but for the client's benefit. You have to realize that law enforcement, they've received legal training. They're the ones that got you into court in the first place. You're going to be dealing with a prosecutor who's a lawyer. You're going to be dealing with a judge who is a lawyer. You do not want to be the only person in the room dealing with your case who is not a lawyer. Your lawyer knows local practices and procedures. Your lawyer knows what is acceptable and what is not acceptable, what he or she can get away with or not, what you need to do as a client to handle your case in the proper way. If you go to court yourself, the case becomes about you. If you have a lawyer representing you, the case is about your lawyer. When we walk into court, we are told or we are asked, "Hi Doug, hi Brian, hi Robin, who are you here for today?" If you walk into court by yourself, it's about you. The prosecutor looks at you. The prosecutor judges you. The prosecutor is going to ask you questions that you may not have to answer, maybe that you shouldn't answer. You also put the judge in a difficult spot. The judge has to make sure that your rights are afforded and that the judge has to ask you a series of questions, about 20 to 30 questions, every time you stand in front of the judge to make sure that you know what you're doing, you know you have the right to an attorney, that you've chosen to represent yourself, that you're not educated to do that, and just to make sure that you are warned and you know that maybe this is perhaps not the best thing for you. If you have all those warnings and everyone else has legal training, shouldn't you have the benefit of a lawyer? How can you do this by yourself? Don't make it about you. Make it about your lawyer. Make it the right lawyer. You definitely need a lawyer. Everyone else is a lawyer in the room. If you're not, you're going to lose.